So you're going to want to watch all of this video. I'm going to show you how I put the base on, what the base looks like for your railing post, and then I'm going to show you some of the decorative, just a little design I put on the top of it with the router. So let's get after that. What I did is you get a base plate. I get this at Menards. The base plate looks like this, okay? And that is going to go on here. I kind of centered it. And what you also do is you get a decorative plate, if you want to call it that comes down and hides all this when you're done. So it covers it all up. So you want to make sure that base plate is centered on the bottom of your post. Then I took my Sharpie, made little dots where I need to drill my starter holes, and made sure that was kind of centered, made sure my decorative plate comes over the top of it so that I got it centered right so that it'll come over the top, fit over the top when I go to put it. And now I'm going to drill some starter holes. Grab my rigid drill. Starter hole for my screws to go into. Want to make sure you get those pretty straight. You want that base plate to sit on there straight. I got my propane heater going over in the corner. We're supposed to have a snowstorm tonight. But it's kind of funny, I drill these holes and you can see the smoke coming off of the drill bit when I pull it out. Because it's so cold in here right now. So I got my starter holes drilled. Then, let's just set this down here. I cleaned everything up earlier today. Oh. No problem. There. Base plate's on. And they give you a longer bolt here. That's going to go through the base plate like this into your floor, hopefully into your joist and blocking underneath. And then that comes down over the top. That looks pretty slick. Okay. That rail has to hold by Wisconsin building code. This rail post has to hold 200 pounds of pressure, and your rails in between have to be no more than 4 inches. You don't want a kid to be able to stick their body or head through the rail. So 4 3/8 inches, I think, is what they tell you by code. So I'm going to pull this off, this screw out, or bolt out for right now. I'm going to set it over to the side on my pile of lumber. And to kind of wrap things up here, always please subscribe. Even on the shortest video, it takes me about an hour to put these together. So if you would subscribe, that would be great. Support the small channel. But let me show you what I got here. So I took the router and I just kind of beveled the top with a router bit, which I think looks pretty good for kind of a rookie at this kind of thing. And I'm happy with that. So on this post, right, the bottom rail is going to be 4 inches off of the floor. They're going to be roughly 5 feet in between the two. So I'll have my rail, and then I'll have my spindles at 4 inches. The spindles are 30 inches high, And they've got little, I'll show you all this. Oh gosh, heat. Feels good on the hands. They've got these, you get these at Menards too. They're just a little fitting that goes on top of your bottom rail. You put a screw through, holds that in place, and then your spindle fits right over the top of it. I'll show you a video on when it's all put together, and you'll be able to see what that looks like, or I'll do one as I put that together. So this is the process on every pole. You've seen on every post. You saw me plane them from the rough lumber. That looked like, at one point in time, looked kind of like this. And these are my 4-inch blocks to set the bottom rail on. But I'm really happy with the way these posts came out. I think they look pretty nice. Do me a favor again, hit that like and subscribe button. I think it's been kind of cool. I mean, you've seen this 3-season room process basically from beginning, and I'm going to follow it through right until the end. You'll see all the cute little, or all the little things I've done, all the hand touches that I've put into this. I think it's going to be pretty cool. Earlier today, like I showed you, I brought in a stack of lumber that should keep me going for this month. And so it's not buried under the snow out there that we're supposed to get tonight, 3 to 5. And we'll continue to keep you updated on this. Next week, I'll have a couple days I'm on the board of directors for the Wisconsin State Reading Association. I'm going to be in Milwaukee, so I got Carmen with plenty of firewood and that to keep her nice and warm here for the couple days I'm gone. And but I'll maybe even give you a couple of videos from down there. We have our annual conference at the Milwaukee Center, at the Civic Center, and so I've got to be down there for that. Yeah. So hit that like and subscribe button, just one more reminder. And thank you for watching. I do appreciate it. Hopefully you get something out of it too. By the time we're done with everything, you're going to know pretty much anything to do around the house. The summer will follow up again with the outside. We've got a couple more sides to hang that LP siding on, and we'll have the complete cabin renovation done here. Thank you. Take care, stay warm, and we'll see you on the next video.